Hello everybody. Today we can see about QIAamp DNA Mini Kit 50. This is the overall top view and front view of this product. Here we can see this product. Over here we can see the brand name Qiagen. This is a product name QIAamp DNA Mini Kit 50. We can store at room temperature between 5 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Here we can see the lot number and reference number. The reference number of this kit 51304. This is a Germany product. This is the overall top view of this product. Here we can see the other angles. We can see the other angles. This angle, some details. On this angle we can see the details of this product, QIAamp DNA Mini Kit. The CAT number of this product is 51304 for molecular biology applications only. On the other angle we can see the warning label. This is a multi-language warning label. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see there's some stickers for Qiagen product. We keep this aside, and then we have a quick start protocol. Here we can see the QIAamp DNA Mini Kit. Further information, notes before starting, and lot of stuff. A quick start protocol. We keep this aside. After that, there's a 10-piece QIAamp mini spin column. Total number of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There is a total number of 5 packs. Each pack contains 10 spin columns. I showed that. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each pack contains 10 spin columns. Total of 50 spin columns. I arrange this. I keep this the side. And the next one is collection tubes, 2 ml. This is a well packed in a cover. This pack contains 50 collection tubes of 2 ml. And one more one. This is also mentioned collection tubes 2 ml 50. We keep this aside. Total of 2 packs. And the next one is here you can see proteinase K solution 1.25 ml. This is a packet in a cover. We do not open this cover. We can see clearly proteinase K solution. Here we keep this aside. And the next one is buffer AE elution buffer 15 ml. Here we can see buffer AE on the top. I'll keep this aside. And the next one is buffer ATL 14 ml. On the top we can see buffer ATL. And keep this aside. And the next one is buffer AE. On the top we can see buffer AE. We can see buffer AE elution buffer 15 ml. product of Germany. Here we can see the other solutions. Here we can see buffer AL. On the top we can see buffer AL. We can see buffer AL lysis buffer 12 ml. Keep this aside. The next one is buffer AW1. Buffer AW1 wash buffer 19 ml concentrate. Here we can see some description. We can keep this aside. The next one is buffer AW2. We can see buffer AW2 wash buffer 2 13 ml concentrate. We keep this aside. Finally we came the summary. Today we can see the product QIAamp DNA Mini Kit. In this kit we can see the spinal column of 50 nurses, then collection tubes 2 ml of 50 nurses 2 pack, one quick start protocol, stickers and proteinase solution. AE buffer, AL buffer and another AE buffer, ATL buffer, then wash concentrate 1, then wash concentrate 2. These are the products in the kit. Thank you.